Hello everyone, this is Ranjan Kalindi. So in this video we are going to cover next 50 question. As we discussed 25 question in the previous video. This is the part 2 video. We are discussing about paper 1 which is going to ask in your exam or BEL exam for the post of EAT technician C and junior assistant. So we already covered 25 question. Now we are going to discuss more 25 question. Okay, if you didn't see that video, just go and see that video. The link is in description box. Okay, we'll start. For PDF and more updates, you can join our Telegram channel. You can find this link below this description box. Otherwise, you can directly search in Telegram with the name of Hard Work Limited. Join this one. Here you will get PDF notes and previous questions regarding any updates and more things you can get here only. Okay, so we'll start. So 26 we are going to start from 26 because we already covered 25 question. So in 26 question, 26, what is the question? The question came from ratio again. If A is to B, A ratio B is 5:9, B ratio C is 4:9. So we need to find A, B and C. Okay, so if like that question will come, how you will solve? First you need to write A, B is how much? 5:9. Then B and C it is 4:7. So like that question will give you, simply you need to do A ratio B and B ratio C like that, and you have to put one opposite of n like that symbol you have to make. Then you have to go this arrow wise and multiply all the number. So you will get A is to B is to C. See, now here we are going to put the value. So A is to B is how much? 5:9 and B ratio C how much? 4:7. It is given in question. Now you need to put opposite of n and like that you have to go and multiply this one. So 5 into 4 how much? 5 into 4 is 20. Okay, then 4 into 9, then what? 4 into 9 is 36. Then 9 into 7 is what? 63. Okay, so if you see option A 20, 36, 63, this is the answer. Okay, like that you have to solve. Next, the average of 7 consecutive number is 33. What is the largest number? We need to find the largest number of 7 consecutive number. Consecutive number means in a sequence. 7 number are given in the sequence. So in the previous video, when one average question came, that time I told only if number is in a sequence, like suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is in a sequence number is there, and suppose question will ask like find the average. So how we will find average? I told you, like it is, if it is in sequence, directly you have to calculate the first number and last number, 1 plus 5, and you need to divide by 2. So this is 6/2, that is equal to 3. So average, what is the average? Average is 3. Average is 3 means if you see whenever the number is in a sequence, then the average should be that center wala you will find. So no need to calculate anything. If number is in a sequence, directly you see the center one, that is your answer. Okay, like that. So according to this, if you compare this question, the average of 7 consecutive number is 33. Average we have means center number we have 33, center number we have. Now he is asking 7 consecutive number, means here more 3 number should be there, here more 3 number must be there, like that. So total 7 number is there, and it is written consecutive means sequence number is there. So after 33 it should be 34, 35, and this is 36. Before 33 it should be 32, 31 and 30. Like that question means like that consecutive number is there, and here now we got the consecutive number. Now what they are asking, it's asking largest number. So largest number is 36. Option D is the right answer. So like that simply you can solve the question without using formula. Okay, next. So see, here one sequence is there, T, K, L, U, M, O, V, one question mark and R, W, Q, U and X as X. Now we need to find this question mark here. Okay, so if we go TU, TU, then V, S, T, U, V, then W, then X. Alphabetic it's going. For the next series, K. Okay, for K, here L, K, L, M, then N, here must be O, then P, Q, then Q, R, S. Like that sequence is going on. So in the place of question marks, what it will come? It will come Q. Okay, it will come, it will come O. O, option B is the right answer. Next, again we need to find 4, 27, 16, 125 and next number we have to find. Okay, so here if you see, this is nothing but this is 2 square and this is 3 cube, this is 4 square and this is 5 ka cube. Likewise 2, 3, 4, 5, here must be 6 and what it will come? Square it will come, because square cube, so it should be square. So it is how much? 6 square is 36. So option D is the right answer. Next, the value of 1 angstrom is how much? It is 10 to the power minus 4 micron. Which Indian mass movement began with the famous Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi? So it is civil disobedience movement. Option C is the right answer. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument is called, so that instrument is seismograph. We'll call seismograph. Option D. Next, the ratio of age of Ajay and Vijay is 3:4. After 5 years, the new ratio of their age will be 4:5. What is the age of Vijay at present? So in a present, it is mentioned like for Ajay and Vijay is there, so it is there 3:4. The present ratio is given 3:4 and he is asking after 5 years. After 5 years, the ratio will be 4:5. Like that it is coming. So it is asking what is the age of Vijay now, means in present, means here means now in this area Vijay, what is the age of Vijay he is asking. How we will find? So if you see from 3 to 4 it is 1 only, means the gap is 1 only. 4 to 5 it is 1 only, both are same, 1 year. According to ratio, if you see only 1 it is, gap is 1, means 1 year it is taking. But in a question what is given? From here to here, how much time it is? 5 year. 5 year taking. Okay, how much more it is? 5 more, means if you do 5 into 1 it is 5 only come. So how much multiple of 5 it is more, it is given in question. So we need to multiply this 5 year, this multiply 5 year. So present is of Ajay and Vijay, if we calculate 3 into 5 it is 15 and 4 into 5 it is 20. So Ajay age is 15 and Vijay age is 20. So option A is the right answer. Next, a car covers a distance at a speed of 24 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 3 hours, it must be travel in the speed of. So for distance, if you calculate distance, so distance equal to speed into time. The formula is distance equal to speed into time. So first, in the first sentence, it is given, we need to find distance and speed is given, time is given. Speed is how much? 24 and time is how much? It is 5. Okay, so speed we have given 24 and time we have given how much? Time is 5. So 24 into 5, this is 120. So total distance is how much? 120 kilometer. So now we have to find, to cover the same distance, means whatever distance is there, like D is how much? 120 kilometers. So for 120 kilometer distance, time is 3 hours, so we have to find speed. So speed equal to what? Speed equal to distance by time. Distance is how much? 120, and time is how much? Time is 3, so it is 40 kilometer per hour. Option B is the right answer. Now here in this question, what you need to do? 196 ratio 144 and 225. So like that, if question will come, so first we need to compare these two, and that relation you have to apply here. Okay, so first we are going to solve this one. So if you see 196, if you take a square root of 196 and a square root of 144, so how much it will come? It will come, this is 14 and this is come 12. Okay, square root, if you take 196, it is 14, and 124, it will come 12. So likewise, if you see, if you took 225 square root, so it will come 15. Okay, now what you need to do? If you see that this relation, there is a gap of, means this is 2 gap, this is 14 and this is 12. So 14 is there, minus 2, this 12. Likewise you have to do 15 is there, minus 2 if you do, so it will come 13. So it should be what? 13 ka square here, because 15 square is 225 and 12 square is 114 and 14 square is 196. So it should be 13 square. So 13 square is how much? 169. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next, in the letter of the word FACETIOUS are arranged in alphabetically, then which letter would be the third letter from the last? Okay, so first we need to arrange in a alphabetic manner. So in alphabetic manner, first will come A, then C, then E, A, B, C, D, E, E is there. After that, A, B, C, D, E, F is there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, sorry, I, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay, this is the, if you arrange alphabetically, then this word will come. And now in a question, which letter would be the third letter from the last? From the last, which letter is coming? Third, 1, 2 and 3. So S is coming in a third from the last. So option B is the right answer. Ghumar. Ghumar is folk dance of which state? So it is folk dance of Rajasthan. Which planet has the largest number of natural satellites? So Saturn have largest number of satellite. Which of the new scheme launched by the government of Karnataka to replace the old classroom? So it is Viveka schemes. Okay. Next, find the simple interest on the rupees 500 at 5% per annum for 5 years. Okay, so we need to find simple interest. Simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100. P is principal amount, R is rate, and T is time. So here all things are given. Principal amount, how much it is? 500. Rate is 5% and time is 5 years. Divided by 100. So it will 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So simple interest is 125. Option D is the right answer. The average of 5 consecutive odd number is 15. What is the smallest and largest number? So previously we already solved this one, no need to explain that much. So average it is given 15, means center number we have, and 5 consecutive odd number we have. So like that 5 numbers should be there. So odd number it is 5 consecutive odd number. So after 15, what is the odd number? It's 17 and 19. Likewise, this is 13 and 11. So these all are odd number in a sequence. So now the question is smallest and largest. So smallest one is 11 and largest number is 19. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next, March is related to third. Okay, the March we are right third only. Like that October which month it is? 10th month. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Now select the correct mirror image of the given combination when the mirror is placed to the right side. So if we put right side one mirror, then how image will come? So how it will come? It will come, this 4 will, you can see this 4 will see like this, then 2 will like this, it will appear again, this 4 will see like this, then this 5 will come like this 6 will come this, then like that you can see in mirror. So option A is the right answer. Next, the Pilikula Biological Park is located in which city of Karnataka? So it is located in Mangalore. Which day is celebrated as the International Literacy Day? So every year we are celebrating this day on 8th September. Which of the following is the objective of the Chandrayaan 3 mission? So Chandrayaan 3 mission objective is what? To demonstrate safe and soft landing on a lower surface, to demonstrate rover roaming on the moon, to conduct in-suit scientific experiments. So these all the objectives are there. So option D, all of the above is correct. What is the value of 2 minus sine 30? So what is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is how much? 1 by 2. So if you took LCM, it is 2. So it will come 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3 by 2. Option A is the right answer. Next, C. If blue is called green, green is called orange, orange is called yellow, yellow is called black, black is called red, and red is called white. Based on this, what is the color of turmeric? So turmeric, what is the color of turmeric? Turmeric is yellow. So yellow, how here yellow is representing yellow is called black. So black. So option D is the right answer. Like that you have to read the question. Now, if the top of the dice is shown 5, then what would be the number on its bottom? Okay. So opposite of 5, he is asking opposite of 5, what is the number? Like that question is there. So for that, if two dices are there, what you need to do? First you need to find the one common number in that two dice. So here if you see this 4 and this 4 is common. Now took this 4 and go like this, clockwise you go in both dices. Okay, so 4 opposite is 4, then 5 came here, 5 again, after 4 what come? 5, after 4 here 2, so 5 opposite is what? 2, then 1, so here 1 and this 1, this 6, so 1 opposite is 6, and here is 3. So if you see if whatever question they will ask, means opposite of 4 it is 3, opposite of 5 it is 2, opposite of 1 it is 6. So in this question it is asking opposite of 5, so opposite of 5 is 2. Option C is the right answer. Okay, next. Okay, so we have successfully completed 50 question. Okay, so total 50 question. This is a sample only. Maybe BL will ask this type of question only, means this level question. So like that question you will find in paper 1, and this 50 question you should comment in comment box. You just go in a comment box and give this answer. Okay, till now like this video and share this video with your friends, and till now you didn't subscribe my channel, just subscribe this channel. Okay.